Video ka din, Dad. Ayaw mo?
May...
Ay, sorry.
Otoy. 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 Boom.
Ah! Sayang!
Okay lang, at least. Boom. Dani ba? Pambawi!
Sa Bangkok pa pala mag-score. Wow, sino pumasa?
Tommy yata nagpasa eh.
Yung pinapractice
Galing
nila
labas.
yan eh.
Ay, si Dani pala.
Nasa si Mami? Nasa si Mami, Pe?
Andun yata.
Picture. Ano na picturean niya yung anak ko?
Go, 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 Kali!
Uy!
Go, Kali!
Cross. Walang support. Oh, handball. Handball.
Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball.
Bawi yung Mami Maruti. Basta magsabi na. Para malalaki ito yung mga nakakalaban sa dito.
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa goal? Kayo po. Ano pong masasabi?
Pang-field.
Pang-field. Blue.
Yun, open.
Uy, kan!
Go! Yun.
Take it!
Yes!
Go!
Yeah!
Si Dani, si Dani.
Ulit?
Si Dani?
Tommy.
Ay, Tommy. Sorry for the ubo. Okay, sino po yung naka-goal ngayon? Live from Bangkok.
Kita. Kita likod mo. Ori, ball!
Ay, bola. Ganun.
Nice, Tommy!
Go, Tommy!
Ay, sayang! Later po.
Lapit tayo. Layo natin dito.
Nice leg! Nice leg! Go, Blake! Go, Blake! Nice!
Ilang minutes, Daddy Angel?
10-10.
10-10. May half.
Uy. Nice, Blake. Bilis ni Blake eh. Tong-tong pala eh.
Ethan, likod! Ethan, red card!
Ang parents po.
Magulang din eh. Go!
Nice!
Ayun yung Odik mag-defend.
Nice clear, nice clear.
Pampan ko na.
Where's my wife?
Bilis ni Kali oh. Go, Daddy! Go! Ah! Yes!
Dalawang beer yata. Sir, no? Rebound.
Tulungan mo dala.
Patong mo na lang, Drake. Patong mo na lang.
Saan niya yun, yung blue?
Okay, coach. Okay lang kahit iba number.
Alin iba? Parehas yung 11.
55.
5 si Audrey.
Okay, kaya lang kayo yung ano.
Come on!
May magpapa-floating market po, mama. Market! May magpapa-floating market.
Free kick ha, free kick. Free kick, atras konti.
Ethan, listen to your goalie.
Go Blake. Come on Blake.
Stay with them, stay with them. Turn, turn.
Pass.
What? Huh? Sleep. Huh? Ay, may video.
Organize yung ano. Wall.
Foul. Wall. Foul.
Pero 10 minutes na, coach.
Ano yata to ma'am? Wala tong half.
Ah,
Straight,
alright. 20 minutes.
15.
Oh, sorry.
Other side, Blake. Other side, Blake. Blake, other side. Running, other side. Ethan. Marking. Kaden. Kiel. No pushing ha, nasa loob ng box. Mark lang. Nakitan mo lang. Ethan, check behind.
Okay, relax, Rodrick.
Go up, Ethan. Wide, Blake.
That's it, Rodrick, relax.
Yandre.
Side leg.
Kiel. Sagad sa line. Blake. Dito, Blake. Blake, masyadong malayo. Blake. Yan, other side. That's good. Kalmatan. Go up.
Nice.
Stay there.
Up. Sorry.
Blake, left shoulder.
Strong, Ethan. Pass.
Pass na.
Ethan. Blake. Taas konti.
Smile, guys.
Kumusta?
Rodrick, stay ka lang dyan.
Relax Blake. Relax
Tama,
ka.
Blake. Leo, Blake, pag kaya.
Okay, again Blake. Sige lang. Parang nila.
No rush.
Very
Good.
good.
Kalma.
Stay strong. Good.
Go.
Nice.
Heads up. Play. Tayo. Don't stop. No rush, Ethan. No rush. Heads up. Look for Rory. Good pass. Support. Strong Rory. Finish.
Good try, Ronnie.
Good defending, Ethan.
Blake, balance ka dyan.
Ezekiel. Kiel. First pull ka. Pasok, Yandre. Go. Pass. Kumalikot sa pull.
Relax, our ball. Kalma.
Ethan.
Blake.
Rory agad.
Ethan, take it, Ethan.
Blake.
Blake.
Kiel. Blake. Ethan. Kalma. Ethan, go. Blake. Go, Kiel.
Yes, Blake. Coming from behind. Good. Blake atras, Blake atras.
Hey! Behind play! Pass! Finish!
Congratulations. For the U8, Shimson Greenfield with Namakani, you have to come to prepare with the pitch one. And the U9, Spirit Academy with BSL, please come to prepare in the please come to prepare to the pitch two. And the next
Nice game!
Congratulations!